guys, I got my baby back. She's back running on the road. Yeah, Ruby is good to go. Smooth driving, and we're about to be back out here. All right, guys, so we're currently at Phillips Place by South Park because the grand opening of the Polo store opened on Wednesday. It was this weekend? Wow, this weekend. So we're gonna go take a look, see what they have. Come tag along with us. Oh, guys, this store. Now the aesthetics of this is giving me a Ralph Lauren in England or the UK. Just the look of it, it's really pretty. You can get your little coffee out here. Oh, we're gonna buy some today. Champagne, guys. I already drank the champagne. I'm so bad at this. Of course, we found something. A pair of shoes. And Babe's birthday is coming up, so he's gonna try them on. Guys, I love this store. I'm gonna be coming in here. I'll probably be ordering my stuff and then have it shipped to the store because, you know, your girl got boobs. And they may have my size in the back, but you know, sometimes I need an double XL. No, my last sweater I got was a double XL. That V-neck, that little preppy one that I have, the Argyle one. But we'll return. Guys, my hair came out so good today. Yeah, you guys heard him right. Re-pierced. Get you a cup of joe. They were already done with the cup of joe, so I settled for the champagne. So cute. Morning, YouTube. We're getting ready for brunch for Babe's birthday. And I'm about to exfoliate my face with this little thing I bought from TJ Maxx. This side is the deep clean. I'm letting my eyebrows grow in before I get them waxed. dry. And this is the tongue scraper that I use. Comes with two. Got it from Target, my favorite place, $5.99. I also got some Dove body wash that I love so dearly, and the deep cleaning one. Then I also got the cucumber one, but that's already in the shower. And my girl also made me my shea butter, but she used to put it in these big ones. She doesn't have any more of these, so she are providing you with 2 of the plastic jars, which will be equivalent of the big one. So if you haven't seen my video from last year, this is the shea butter, body butter that we use, natural, handmade in Amber's Kitchen. Support your local Black-owned businesses. Sorry, I'm probably looking this way, not paying attention. And I hope I get some of this stuff out. I'm gonna have to take this. Oh. What's that? Oh, this is the oils we get from that kiosk at the flea market in Pineville, and it's called Aladdin Scents. He be on it. We literally just smelled this at the Ralph Lauren store, which you guys will see that in a vlog if you haven't already saw that video, but it smells exactly like that.
It's called Miller's Flea Market.
Miller's Flea Market in Fort Mill. I said Pineville, I'm sorry y'all, it's in Fort Mill because it's considered South Carolina. I gotta get some water. If y'all don't remember, this was my free gift I got when we were in Atlanta. I'm gonna use every drop of this. Guys, we've been wanting to go to this place for the longest. Just didn't really have a reason. I mean, you don't have to have a reason to go, but we don't like to just spend money just to spend money. I mean, sometimes I do, but we like for it to be a special occasion for why we're going out to eat, like out to eat at certain restaurants. That's it. So my face is clean. I'm just gonna go ahead and work on these eyebrows and then take this do-rag off so I can, I'll throw some long curls in my hair. I want it to kind of have some body to it. All right guys, so I just did a basic face. I need to record when I'm doing it, but remember I told you guys I'm not plucking my eyebrows, so I just had to go over with some little concealer so you don't see the little hairs. You can see them a little bit, but you know. I've used my handy dandy palette that I got from TJ Maxx. It's Revolution Makeup. You can't really see, it's kind of fading off. And it comes with 48 or 20 something. And then I use my waterproof Sephora liquid eyeliner. I also use my Fenty Rum highlighter. And then I also put a tiny bit of this on my face, because as the winter comes, you start to see my eczema a little bit more. So just to even out my skin tone a little bit. I put a little dabs of this Bonnie Dew on my face. I just put a couple little dots right there just to kind of highlight your girl. And I have a old, oh, this is Ellen Tracy blendable blush. The girl is tongue twisted this morning. Rosy Glow. So my favorite one to use is the peach and the pink. Those are my two. This one and this one. This one, this one. Got this from Target as well. I'm not Target, TJ Maxx. I got this Ellen Tracy blush from TJ Maxx. And of course, I keep all my stuff in my little kit that I travel with. All right, so I am going to get dressed. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. So I am going to be wearing my Ralph Lauren dress. This is one of my favorite dresses that I got from Ralph Lauren. And then Babe is wearing his. I'll let him speak on, starting from the boots.
I got my Ranger boots, dark blue denim. And I have my Polo Expedition work shirt. It's a nice graphic shirt you could wear with anything. Denim, a nice brown.
I really like this shirt. At first, when I saw it on the website, y'all, I was like, I don't know. But when we got it in the mail, I was like, excuse me, y'all. I was like, oh my gosh, this is really nice. We actually saw it in Atlanta. Mm-hmm. The last trip we did to Atlanta, we were in,
Beautiful.
well, what store was it? Macy's? Okay, Macy's. And he tried it on, but they didn't have his size. So we was trying to order it. They didn't have it. So I was like, we're going to come across it on the website. But this is what he's going to wear for his birthday brunch. And he is polo from head to toe, even down to his blue t-shirt that he has underneath it.
My socks, drawers, my belt.
Yeah. He's the polo guru in this house.
Can't do it half-assed. You gotta do everything.
All right, guys, so here's my fit put together. I have on some Target shoes with my Ralph Lauren dress, and it comes with a belt. And then I put on my Invicta watch with my Michael Kors bracelet, kept on my normal bracelets, my ring, and then my name ring. So, and I kept on my basic necklace. I never take these off. Pretty much gold goes with everything in my ensemble. So yeah, this is my outfit for brunch. Guys, we just put our wreath on the door last night. My friend's mother made this one for me when she made that high one that I normally keep on my door. So this is my fall Thanksgiving one until I put up Christmas. It's really cute. I will link her card information below if you live in the North Carolina area, and she will ship it to you as well. It's really pretty. Ordered the peach, I want to say they were peach bellinis. Yeah, peach puree. So we got this. It's really good. Oh, it's good. I like that. And then we got sparkling water, Pellegrino, which is my favorite. And so we got our sparkling water. Babe, do you like the place?
We decided on some food over here. So kind of looking.
Thank you. Okay, so we ordered the lobster roll because we want to try it. We also got the boiled salmon. She said it's good. It's perfectly paired with the Yukon Gold creamy potatoes. I got the scrambled eggs well cooked with cheese and bacon. And then we also did the shareable cheese tray that has the roasted roasted peppers with cheese, and then the olive oil with like salt and pepper and oregano drizzled on top of it. So we'll let you guys see how it looks and everything comes out. This place is really the ambiance. Like, this is really pretty. They have like all the doors closed because of course it's a little chilly now in Charlotte. So yeah, I really like this place. I want to bring my mother here and my aunt here for brunch. I think this would be real cute for them. I wish I could bring my grandmother, but she don't like places where it's a lot of people. It has to be like a little intimate corner for her, or intimate space. So, but we're gonna enjoy our brunch, and we'll check back in with you guys, and then we're gonna probably walk around. Are we gonna stop at? We're going to the mall, right? Yeah, we're gonna go to South Park. It's right across the road from here, and I've been wanting to go to Crate and Barrel, so I want to get us some stuff. So I'll check back in with you guys when we go to Crate and Barrel. Yeah, this dress is down, so I'm gonna have to dry it. How does it feel? How does it feel? You 45? Oh wow. I said the same thing. 40, I'll be 40 in May. So I get it. It's like it's picked up. Just a couple of years ago I was 20 something. But I'm always in forever 25. Don't tell your body your real age and you be saying you old. Don't do that. Your tongue is very powerful. Guys, I love this dress that I have on. And my makeup is so natural. Because all I do is work. I don't do my face anymore. want wigs either for the next couple of months. Natural hair. Oh, her skirt is cute. I would wear that. I said I would wear that. I love your skirt. It's so pretty. All right, guys. So we just had brunch at Restoration Warehouse or Restoration House here in Charlotte, Phillips Place. So we got to tell you guys our ratings on the place. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10 for aesthetics, service, and food.
10 out of 10 myself. Everything.
Aesthetics,
Everything.
service,
Everything.
food. Like, all jokes aside, y'all, this place is worth it. It was worth every penny today. Every penny. Grace, she was our Gracie, or Grace, want to say. She was our waitress. She was really sweet, very attentive to us. She kept checking in on us. They also gave him a little salted cookie, chocolate chip warmed cookie. It was really good. Didn't get a video of that because we were too busy talking, so we were trying to live in the moment. But guys, yes, please check out Restoration House in Phillips Place, Rooftop. Girl, I'm glowing today. Now we're about to go to South Park and maybe Concord Mills, or are we really going to Concord Mills? Okay, see y'all later. Save Cracker Barrel for the next weekend. My seatbelt be trying to choke me. I told you guys about Ruby that she's nice and clean. Cause don't nobody ride in here but us. I think my niece has been in here once. Alright guys, so I had to stop at Harris Teeter so I can get I'm making my grandmother her beef short ribs. I'm gonna put them in the crock pot. You guys saw that I made my crock pot. I used my crock pot for my turkey wings and they came out so tender, falling off the bone. I'm going to do that for her. And my grandma's getting a little older. It's hard for her to stand up and like cook her meats and stuff. So I told her, I said, you need to get a crock pot so that way you don't have to, she doesn't have to like stand up and watch over it. She can just set it, and it's gonna cook her meats. So I got her the French beans to put in there. I got her the baby rainbow carrots to put inside. She doesn't eat a lot of potatoes, mashed potatoes, so I was gonna get the little Yukon Gold potatoes, but that's it. I did get one of these, and I have regular barbecue sauce at home, so I'm gonna do kind of like half and half and mix it with a little water just to kind of give it its sauce. And that was pretty much it. I did give me some watermelon because I don't know, I just wanted some watermelon. And y'all, they had these on sale. They was getting him some Reese Puff Bats. They were 50% off. So